Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join a Life360 Circle. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to join into a circle on 360, first, make sure that you've downloaded the application on your device and tap it open. From the main homepage of Life360, if you've not created an account yet, click on Get Started and enter your mobile number information, verify your mobile number, and you'll be able to create a new account. If you already have an account, tap Sign In, enter your mobile number associated with your account, and tap on Continue. Enter your password for your account and tap Continue again. From the top of the main home page, tap on the Family drop-down and select Join a Circle option. In order to join into a circle, you'll need to enter your invitation code sent by you from your circle creator. Once you enter your information, tap on the Submit button, and soon after you do that, you'll be able to join into a circle on Life360. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.